Namaste students, this is Obetia. This is Kaushik Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapith Women University Jaipur, Rajasthan. Discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing, and our today's topic is electrogastrogram. This is EGG. Continuation of the previous topics, we are discussing in these sessions the types of biomedical signals, and we are already discussed about the different types of biomedical signals. I think we have discussed about the 5 types of biomedical signals, and our last types of biomedical signals we have discussed here. This is event related potentials, ERP, and we are also discuss the different potential signals in the different concept. Now today's topic is electrogastrogram. Basically, gastrograms gastrogram words relates with the context of body parts of stomach. An electrogastrogram is a graphic product by an electrographs which records the electrical signals that travels through the stomach muscles and control the muscles contraction. In this context, we are here define again. Electrogastrogram is a graphic produced of electrographs which records the electrical signal. Again, we are generating the electrical signals through our stomach muscles. Our stomach muscles are generate different electrical signals in different situations, and it's recorded by electrogastrograms through a graphical representation of electrogastrograph. These names are made of different parts such as electrodes because electrical activities, gastro, Greek word is stomach, entro, Greek intense gram, a Greek root mean to write, means is defined as electrical signal, gastro means stomach, gram means to write, means to define, to measure. An electrogastrogram is a gastrogram are similar in the principle of electrocardiogram. Same as the principle of electrocardiogram, the electrodes are placed in the muscles of the stomachs and the signals are recorded, such as the signals are also recorded in the heart. The electrodes are placed in the chest also. Motility results from coordinate contraction of smooth muscles, which in turn derive from two basic patterns of electrical activity across membrane of smooth muscle cell: slow waves and action potential. Slow waves are initially by pacemaker, the instantaneous cells. Slow wave frequently varies different organ of the GI tract and its characteristics for that organ. They set a maximum frequency at which muscles can contract. Here, different types of muscles activities and generated the different types of signals. In different situations, the stomach muscles are produce different signals. The electrical activity of GI tract can be subdivided into two categories: electrical control activity ECA and electrical response activity. Means we are dividing two portions, which is controlled by electrical signal and it is response by electrical signal. ECA is characterized by regularly recurring electrical potential originating in the gastric pacemaker located in the body of stomach. The slow waves are not a direct region of peripheral of the GI tract, but a correlation between division of slow waves from norm and motility abnormal. However, it is provided. So in this session we are learn about how to recognize the stomach signals, which is defined as electrogastrograms and is recorded as electrogastrograph. And the stomach signals are generally in different parts. This is electro because electrical signal, gastro means in the Greek word this is stomach, and gram means to write or to record. As as same as electrocardiogram, this is ECG. Here we are also placed electrodes in the stomach and measure the signals and recorded the signals as we need. So in this sessions we are discussing about the electrogastrogram. Thank you.